Okay, so when you go to open up week 1 for Google Sheets, click it open. And there are tabs when you open up at the bottom right here. And each of them has a different activity for you to do. So, like, for example, the first one is all about, naming your cells, okay? So, like, for example, that cell C4. Okay, so in each of these is an embedded video. So if you click on right here, right there is the video for this sheet. And then what you're going to do is when you're done with all the activities on the sheet, you're going to come right over here to the next tab, and this one is column. You're going to watch the video, and the video will walk you through the activity of what to do. So you're going to continue the process of going through each of the tabs and completing all of the activities. Then, in order to keep going, you're going to hit the scroll right here, this arrow, and you're going to see that there's more activities to complete. And once again, on every single one of these slides, each of these sheets is going to be a video guiding you through what to do. So borders, wrapping text, text rotation, keep going. Inserting images. Now, when you get to the inserting images, that's when you're going to need the giraffe. Okay, so you do have a giraffe right here. Okay, and trust me, it'll walk you right through in the video of where to find everything. Go on to your next tab for inserting links, adjusting rows and columns, and then that'll be your last activity. So after that is done, then you're going to press the turn in button and turn it into Google Classroom.